Hello guys. As a developer or DevOps engineer, managing multiple AWS accounts is a common scenario. You may have separate accounts for development, testing, and production environments, or for different projects, different environments. In this video, we will explore how to configure AWS on Windows for multiple accounts and how to switch between them. Before diving into the configuration process, it's crucial to understand AWS credentials. AWS uses access keys to authenticate and authorize API requests. Each account has a unique access key ID and secret access key. You can create multiple access keys for an account, but it's recommended to use a single key per account. I have two accounts. This is my first account and this is my second account. I have created access keys for these accounts. To configure AWS on Windows, we will use the AWS command line interface. The AWS CLI is a unified tool that allows you to manage your AWS resources from the command line. Let's begin. To configure AWS, we need to open CMD or PowerShell as an admin. Now here, I want to configure my account 1. To configure, we need to provide a command AWS configure and we need to give a profile. This is the profile for account 1. It will ask access key and secret access key. So this is my access key. And this is my secret access key for account 1. Default region and default output format can be kept as per your requirement. Here you can see we have configured our first account. Like this, we need to configure for second account. For that, we need to give AWS configure and the profile should be account 2. This is for the second account. Then here also we need to provide AWS access key ID and AWS secret access key for the second account. So this is my secret access key for the second account. And secret access key for second account. Default region I am keeping none and default output also I am keeping none. Now after configuring our multiple accounts in AWS, let's see how to verify our profiles. For that, there is a command AWS configure list profiles. This will list all your profiles. Now to switch between accounts, we need to set the AWS profile environment variable. This variable tells the AWS CLI which profile to use. For that, there is a command set AWS profile and the profile name. This will set AWS profile environment variable to account 1. Let's see with an example. What I will do is I will list all the users of account 1. So for that there is a command AWS IAM list users. I want only a username. So for that we need to generate a query users dot username. Here you can see there is only one user, DevOps admin. Verify this by visiting the console. So this is my account 1, and in IAM, go to IAM, go to the users. Here you can see there is only one user, DevOps admin. Now I want to switch to account 2. For that, we need to set the AWS profile environment variable with the account 2 profile. So set AWS profile equal to account 2. Now I will list the IAM users of the account 2. So AWS IAM list users query users dot username. This will list IAM username. So here you can see there are two users in our account 2. Let's see that. So this is my account 2. Here you can see two users. Here you can see two username. Like this, you can configure AWS on Windows for multiple accounts, and you can switch between accounts. Hope you like this video. Please share and subscribe my channel for further tutorials and updates. Thanks for watching.